Good morning. My name's Peter Jones. I'm going to talk today about the need to improve the way that social enterprise is set up and run. That's definitely a problem in Africa and certainly a problem in the UK, maybe less of a problem in the United States. What we can see here is a model that we can talk about a swarm social enterprise. How do we build a social enterprise rapidly using multiple resources and it then becomes sustainable? And down here we can see that a typical scenario is that social enterprise, the funding that comes for those often starts with the funding itself. People apply for funding, they start the project, they stop the project, and very often what happens is that nothing is left behind. That's a problem because that means that while the project leader has benefited, the person participating on the project, while the sponsor has benefited because they get the knowledge that comes out of that project, typically not leaving anything behind rather adds to the inequity in the world, rather than trying to balance the equity up. And that's a view that has been expressed to me by Valerie Wood-Gager, who is the owner and founder of Learn with Grandma International. So if instead of this approach where an esoteric project takes place, learning is acquired and then disappears from the actual location, supposing instead we bring an immersive swarm enterprise approach, meaning the focus is on leaving an enterprise behind. Not that one. That focus on trade will result in a value exchange taking place on a regular basis. And that value exchange means everybody benefits, everybody wins. So that's a path towards sustainability. Once we've got some of the basic trade services in place, we can then look at some of the interconnecting trades. It could be training for people to improve their skills. It could be transport to move goods from one place to another. It could be storage for goods. And it could be microfinance to underpin the growth factor going on in that particular location. 2 minutes. And then the final part is that the connectivity that we need is now global, basically. We can talk to anybody we want anywhere in the world. It's very, very important to sustain dialogue before, during and after projects, and to have project management skills to manage the whole process.